Okay, so I'm back with another lesson. So, talk to me in Korean level 2. Okay, so this is the lesson 5, guys. And in this lesson, we're going to introduce the names of the days in a week. Okay, days in a week sa Korean. Ano mga days in a week? So, we only have 7 days in a week, diba? Monday to Sunday. So, ito na siya. So what is Monday? It's 월요일. Okay, 월요일. 월요일. Next, 화요일. Tuesday, 화요일. Wednesday, 수요일. 수요일. Thursday, 목요일. 목요일. Friday, 금요일. 금요일. Okay, 금요일. Saturday, baliktad ang spelling. Saturday, 토요일. 토요일. Okay, 토요일. Sunday, 일요일. 일요일. So again, Monday is 월요일. Wait lang. So 월요일. Tuesday, 화요일. Wednesday, 수요일. Thursday, 목요일. Friday, 금요일. Saturday, 토요일. And Sunday, 일요일. Okay? So, etong 7 days of the week, pwede nyo yan ma-memorize. Yung first, ano lang, kuwaon yung nga clue para mas madali. Kasi puro man lang na siya, guys, yuil sa punta. So, ang naubra ko na dati, ganito siya. So, Monday is wall or war. Depende sa inyo. Wall yuil or war yuil. Okay? Tuesday is Tuesday is 화요일. 화. Wednesday is su. Okay, tapos sa Thursday is mok. Mok lang siya, mok. And then Friday is kum. And then Saturday is to. And then Sunday is il or ir. Okay? So, tapos dugtungan nyo lang lahat ng yuil. Okay, ng yuil. Kasi yuil means day of the week. Okay? So, for example, okay, ganito. We have Monday. What is Monday? Wal yuil or war yuil. Okay? Wal yuil or war yuil. Depende kung sin ka mo mas comfortable. Tuesday, 화요일. Wednesday, 수요일. Thursday, 목요일. Friday, 금요일. Saturday, 토요일. Sunday, 일요일 or 일요일. Okay, 일요일 or 일요일. Depende kung siman ka mo comfortable. So, those are the 7 days of the week in Korean. So, i-screenshot or take note nyo lang. I'll clear this now. Okay, next. I-memorize nyo yan. Ma-include sa exam. So the only part that changes in the names for the days of the week is the first letter. So yun na nga yung sinabi ko kanina. The second and the third letters together, yuil means day of the week. So we have wol, hwa, su, mok, kum, to, and il are the unique names of the days. Okay, mga unique names daw. So, wall means moon. Hwa means fire. Su means water. Mok is tree. Kum is gold or iron. To means earth, soil, or ground. And il means the sun. I don't exactly know siguro ito yung mga meanings nila before or ito yung mga Kumbaga, nag-symbolize ng mga moon, fire, hindi talaga sila meaning. Okay? Kasi, for example, sa fire, the meaning of fire, if you're going to search this in dictionary, ang meaning ng fire sa Korean is bull. Hindi siya hwa. So, kumbaga si hwa is just, ano lang, parang nagsisimbolize ng fire. Okay, so that's what it means. Same thing sa water. Water is mul, di ba? Mul. Okay, hindi siya su. So, su, uh, yan lang din siguro yung nagsisimbolize ng water. Okay, I don't exactly know the history or like everything in Korean history. So siguro yun. Okay? Sige. Now, let's move on. So many of the names for the days of the week are related to the names of the planets in our solar system. Okay. So we have Tuesday, for example. Again, Tuesday is Hwayoil. So na-relate siya sa planet Mars, which is Hwasong. So the first, yung first syllable nga Hwa, yun yung may relation, okay, or related sa name ng Mars in Korean, which is Hwasong. Okay, so that's it. Also, this one, with these words here. Okay, so Wednesday, what is Wednesday again? Wednesday is Suyoil, diba? Su. So, also Mercury in Korean is Susong. Susong. So, parehas din sila may Su. Si Thursday is Mogyuil, di ba? Mog. Jupiter is Mukson. Okay, Mukson. So, parehas man sila may Mok. Okay, next si Friday is Kumyuil, di ba? Venus or Venus is Kumsong. Kumsong. And then Saturday is Toyoil and the word Saturn is Tosong. Yun. So, medyo same sila ng mga first syllable. Okay, ng mga names nila. Okay, so that's it. But anyways, I'm not gonna include that part. Okay, so it's just an additional information. Okay, next. Proceed tayo sa mga sample sentences dito sa baba. Okay, we have some sample sentences from our friends. Okay, sige. So we have, for example, si Ran. Okay, Ran. The character Ran. So sabi niya, 저는. 저는 means I. 금요일 is Friday. 금요일. 마다 is every. So pag sinabing 금요일마다, it means every Friday. Okay? 밤. Actually, 밤 is night. Pag ginhambal mo nga 밤새, it means parang all night long. Yan, all night long. Buong gabi, kumbaga, buong gabi. Okay, pag bam lang, it means night lang siya. Okay, gabi lang, gabi. Okay, then sul. Sul is hindi siya nakalagay dito kasi pwede naman ma-omit, ma-delete, or hindi ma-include. But sul means alcohol. Kasi ang context is understandable na. Diba, parehas man sa aton, di ba, pag ginhambal nga, nag-inom kami kagabi, wala man gina-identify, gina-specify nga kung anong kin-inom niya, di ba? But understandable na nga nag-inom ka mo, eat alcohol. So, sul, same thing. Same thing dito. So, sul, again, means alcohol, but it's not indicated here. So, 술을 마셔요. 마셔요 is drink. I drink all night long every Friday. I drink all night long every Friday. So, it's 저는 금요일마다 밤새 술을 마셔요. Again, 저는 금요일마다 밤새 술을 마셔요. Okay, so that's it. Okay, next. Proceed kita sa next sentence niran. 토요일에. 토요일, actually 토요일 lang is Saturday, di ba? And here, pag dugtong siya sa day of the week, meaning yan is on. So on Saturday is 토요일에. Pag on Monday, 월요일에. Okay, or 월요일에. Pag on Wednesday, 수요일에. So, lagyan nyo ng e. Okay, pagka may on. Okay, on, no word. Okay, so, 토요일에는 소풍. 소풍 is picnic. Okay, picnic. 소풍을, 을 is particle guys 소풍을 갈 거예요. Going to go. So, sabi niya, I'm going to go on a picnic on Saturday. 토요일에는 sa Saturday, 소풍을 picnic 갈 거예요. Will go or going to go. So again, 토요일에는 소풍을 갈 거예요. Okay, so that's it. I hope this one's clear. Move kita. Okay, so ito na lang. This part na lang din yung lesson 5. Then, let's have the lesson 6 after. So, we have another character which is, or who is, Mikyung. So, si Mikyung. Sabi ni Mikyung, 어제 is Friday. Yesterday. 어제 is yesterday. 진짜 is really. 신나는, okay, 신나 is parang exciting. Okay, 신나는. 금요일 is Friday. 신나는 금요일이었어요. So this is the past tense. Okay, past tense lang siya. So yesterday was a really exciting Friday. 어제는 진짜 신나는 금요일이었어요. 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 Okay? Usually, pag connect, ang mga L nga na sa tunga ka word, nag-R na siya. Diba kung nadumduman yun nung first sem pa, ambal na ako. Pag ang L sa pinakauna, doon na siya gina-pronounce ng L. Or ang R, pag sa pinakauna, ga-L man siya gyapon, ga-R lang siya kung sa tunga. Diba? Mga like, for example, ang ruler. Luller. No, dyan sila nabubulol sa R tsaka sa L. So, ganun siya. So, again, yesterday was a really exciting Friday. 어제는 진짜 신나는 금요일이었어요. Okay, next. 한번 ni 미경. 사비 pa rin niya, 저는. So, 저는 is I. 월요일에. Yan, so may E na siya. So, it means on Monday. 월요일 is Monday. Tapos may add nga E. Okay. 영화. So, again, what is 영화? Movie. 를 is particle. 영화를 보았어요. So, past tense ng watch. I watched a movie on Monday. 저는 월요일에 영화를 봤어요. 저는 월요일에 영화를 봤어요. Okay, that's it. And this may be the last one. Okay, we have 혜진. 사비 ni 혜진. 토요일 is Saturday. 저녁에는 저녁 or 저녁에 is evening. So 토요일 저녁에 is Saturday evening. So dito may word kita nga this, 'di ba? Pero kanina 'di ba man natin ang this is iko. Okay, kung nadumduman nyo, Okay, ego is this sa Balnakon. But si ego guys, ginagamit lang sa mga bagay. Kung magturo, wala kita magturo. Ito, this, and this. Doon lang ginagamit si ego. Pero in this case, because the context is clear na, nanamin mo is ngayong Saturday evening, so pwede na hindi mo na pag-translate si this. Si Saturday evening na lang is okay na. Okay? So, Saturday evening or this Saturday evening, anong sunod? 새로운. Okay? 새로운. 새로운 means new. Okay? 새로운 언어 means new language. 공부 or 공부를 is study. And then 시작해요. Okay? 시작해요 is start. So, this Saturday evening, I'm going to start studying a new language. So, sa Korean, 토요일 저녁에는, 토요일 저녁에는 새로운 언어 공부를 시작해요. Okay? 토요일 저녁에는 새로운 언어 공부를 시작해요. Okay, so that's it. I hope clear na rin to. Okay, clear ko na rin ang drawings. And okay, that's the end of the lesson 5 of level 2. So again, review nyo si days of the week natin. Ito. Okay, I'm going to include this in your quiz and exam. Okay, so that's all for this lesson, for this video. 여러분 감사합니다.